This video quickly walks you through on how to brighten your design in Canva. Let's just get right into it. The first step is to launch a web browser and visit canva.com. Once you get to the project you're working on, it's now time to brighten a content of that particular project. You cannot just brighten the entire project, just like I have selected the entire project. If you click on edit, you will not see the option to brighten. So you're going to select one element inside. Let's say this my face. I want to brighten it. I'll click on it. Okay, then I'll click on edit. On clicking on edit, you'll be shown some options here. Click on adjust. Then scroll down on this panel. One of the options here is brightness. By default, it is placed at 0. So if we drag up, you will see the face will be brightening. Let me just leave it at 20. Alright, there's still other tools you can work with here. But let me just get to a particular one that I liked, working with sometimes, and that's sharpness. If I want to make this image sharper, just take your cursor to this line, press and hold on the left button of your mouse and drag forward. You can see how the sharpness is changing. I like putting it between 20 and 30, and that's cool by me. So this is how you can, brighten your design and make it sharper in Canva. So the next step is to download. You click on this here, and then you click on download. Click on download button again, and it will be saved into the downloads folder of your PC. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, okay? Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will push this video to more people. Thank you. I'll see you some other time.